Okay, so now I'll show you how to set up the app. So you type Razer in Google, Razer software, go to Synapse. You have to choose, obviously, if you use Mac, for Windows, download that, continue. See, yes, here it says, do you want to include the Chrome app? So that's for the lights of the keyboard, mouse, etc. So we want to include that. Install. Cortex is for microphone, so, and like clipping and stuff. So if you already have that, or like different software, I would just skip it. And now we wait. Okay, so installation complete. I'm gonna continue as guest. You can log in if you want or sign up. Let's wait up some more downloading. Okay, so we're in the app. We're gonna go to Ornata V3. That's the keyboard we have. So customize here, you can do, like, for example, you can see shortcuts. You can add gaming mode, which is kind of cool because you have this on. Disable Windows key, disable menu key, disable, you can extra these. So basically, so you can't on accident click these buttons. Snap tap as well. This is really good for FPS games, maybe other games as well. Then you can like choose keys, what you want. I'm gonna remove this. For example, if you wanna like change what they do. So lighting, you can do the brightness. When display is turned off, like switch off lights, will idle for minutes, on how long. Quick effects, advanced effects. Let's see, Chroma Studio. Here, see, you can like choose it's my keyboard. Static green, you can do breathing green, wave, fire. Obviously you can all see this on keyboard. Change colors, like many sort of things. It's basically what you like and what you want. So yeah, hope this video helped you. See you next one. Bye.